Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your settings in Call of Duty Mobile. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, let's go with HUD settings. You should fix your firing buttons by placing the hip fire button and one tap ADS button next to each other. Also, if you want your gun to instantly fire, just turn in the one tap ADS fire. Next, put the settings right in the middle of the screen and make it tiny. It will make your aim more stable. Also, fix your frame rate to maximize and turn on anti-aliasing. And also set your weapon performance to low to avoid too much shaking. And in the effects, turn off the explosion shake. And next is to check your ADS and firing sensitivity that suits to your movement in game. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.